memories into traditions. Whether it's your first visit or your 100th, you are the heart of the magic we strive to create. We celebrate you and we thank you. Here's to the memories we've made together and the ones still to come.
We climb, we dive, we twist, we soar. The rush pulls us back, and we chase it once more. Every season with laughter and cheer, the ride never ends. It just pulls us back here. This much is clear. We bring the light, seeking adventure is always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The past cannot be denied. You bring the smile, we bring the cheer. Time after time and year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we climb together. It always gets better. Memories are here. Together we're raising the bar. You are the reason. We are the ride. Through every season. Come with us for the ride. We can climb higher than
Very smoky in here right now.